Is it time to buy or sell NVNI Group Limited Ordinary Shares stock? In this video, we will explore NVNI Group Limited Ordinary Shares in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 30th of April, 2025, and we are now here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You certainly don't want to miss any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. As of April 29, 2025, our system has rated NVNI Group Limited Ordinary Shares as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, displaying a remarkable gain of 111.22% since we first suggested purchasing NVNI Group Limited Ordinary Shares just 2 days ago. This equates to an average return of 55.61% per day, since it was categorized as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system predicts significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the recent developments, we cannot ascertain the stock's next movement, as it could potentially go in either direction. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating further decline within this trend. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 72% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from a complete loss to nearly 18%. In terms of the longer horizon, our 12-month analysis reveals a projected change of about 1.77%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between a decline of 65% and an increase of 1,852% over the upcoming year. In real terms, this would place the future price somewhere between 15.6 cents and $8.79. Our latest daily update for NVNI Group Limited Ordinary Shares presents the headline, Significant Movements in NVNI Group Limited Ordinary Shares Stock Price on Wednesday, fluctuating 115.14% between high and low. The stock price of NVNI Group Limited Ordinary Shares increased 111.22% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 30th of April, 2025, rising from 0.213 to 0.450. During that trading day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 115.14%, with a day low at 0.220 and a day high of 0.473. The price has been volatile during this period, showing a gain of 147.06% over the last 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, indicating a positive technical sign, with a total of 304 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 346 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $155.88 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $12.19, while the lowest was $0.144. Currently, the price is 96.31% or $11.74 below the 52-week high of $12.19, which also represents the all-time high for this stock. Nuvini Group Limited, traded on Nasdaq under the symbol NVNI, has recently received a non-compliance notice from Nasdaq. This notice highlighted violations of Listing Rule 5550A-2, which requires a minimum bid price of $1 per share, and Rule 5550B-2, mandating a market value of listed securities above $35 million. This development raises concerns among investors, potentially driving short-term volatility and negatively impacting the stock price as the company works to regain compliance. In contrast, earlier this month, Nuvini announced a strategic acquisition of Mundi, a business-to-business software as a service platform in Brazil. This acquisition aims to enhance their portfolio and represents the first of several anticipated acquisitions in 2025. Positioning the company for growth in the Latin American market. Positive sentiment from this strategic move can bolster investor confidence and support the stock price over the long term. Additionally, Nuvini has strengthened its investor relations by engaging with MZ Group to improve communications with existing and potential investors. This step indicates that the company is actively addressing previous compliance issues and focusing on rebuilding its image and relationship with stakeholders. Despite the immediate challenges posed by non-compliance, the combination of strategic growth initiatives and enhanced investor relations could create a pathway for recovery and future stock price appreciation as the company works diligently to align with Nasdaq requirements and expand its business operations. The following signals have been identified for Nuvini Group Limited ordinary shares. The Nuvini Group Limited ordinary shares stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. However, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two indicators, where the long-term average exceeds the short-term average. During downward corrections, there will be support from the levels at 0.209 and 0.210. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 21st of April, 2025, and since then, the stock has increased by 201.54%. Further increases are expected until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical indicator. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, a buy signal. Pivots, a buy signal from 8 days ago. Short-term moving average, a sell signal from 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, a buy signal from 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 51 days ago. When analyzing the 12-month chart, we can observe the short moving average generated a buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average produced a sell signal 46 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 37 days ago. For further signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for NVNI Group Limited ordinary shares. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at 374 thousandths. With no support from accumulated volume beneath today's level, the risk is increased as a drop below the support at 0 may lead to a significant decline in the stock price. This stock may experience considerable fluctuations throughout the day, characterized by high volatility and with a very large prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band. This stock is deemed to be very high risk. Over the last day, the stock moved 253 thousandths between its high and low points, reflecting a movement of 115.14%. For the past week, the stock has demonstrated an average daily volatility of 36.04%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for NVNI Group Limited ordinary shares, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to circumstances beyond their control. Nevertheless, consistently negative PE ratios may signal inadequate profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Nuvini Group Limited ordinary shares. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might want to enter a position and use volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, Nuvini Group Limited ordinary shares encounters its first support level at 374/100ths. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at 0.435, representing a decrease of 3.34%. This stock exhibits very high daily fluctuations, which introduces significant risk. The 14-day relative strength index is at 83, further escalating this risk. A buy signal has been identified from a pivot bottom established 7 days ago. Is Nuvini Group Limited ordinary shares stock a good buy? Nuvini Group Limited ordinary shares present several positive signals. However, we do not find them sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate. At this stage, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors may either maintain their current position or accumulate more shares while awaiting further developments. Due to certain minor weaknesses in the technical picture, we have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a buy rating to a hold or accumulate status. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 1st of May, we expect Nuvini Group Limited ordinary shares to open lower by approximately $0.0688, starting the trading session at $0.381. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.